everyone, and welcome to an exciting video. As part of our weekly videos now, we're going to be adding in our release notes for our latest version. Now, we've just released our major version, Debutify version 7.0, and this is the start of a journey that we've been working extremely hard at to really work with people and listen to the community and really make the best tool for Shopify to build a website quickly and easily. And I'm really excited to release these notes. Okay, you can go here and check these under press and news and Debutify. Okay, I'll be a link in the description as well. You can read this at your own leisure. We've also released our Discord community where you can get support and work with each other. We're just starting that community and we're going to grow that. As that continues to grow, there'll be more developments there as well. So be sure to check that out. So we've got a new widget. We've got an image banner. Okay. So the new image banner, which allows you to create stunning full width section featuring an image, heading, subheading, and a button. It's perfect for showcasing your brand. All right. So this is a fantastic new widget for those who really want to work on their homepage, their brand, build their brand. We're really trying to tailor our product to dropshippers, brand owners, print on demand, any type of business. We're really now making widgets for that. And now we have infrastructure and a really strong roadmap for that. Please be sure to join the Discord so that we can get more of your feedback as well, because we are actively listening. Text column widgets. So text columns with widgets, with images, is a new major update as well. The text columns with images widgets offers a flexible way to present multiple columns of images and text. Choose between grids. So this is great for blogs, this is great for different collections, and great for information you're trying to give back out to your community as you build your business over the long term. Another one people asked for a lot was a logo list. So now you can actually have a number of logos of businesses that you've been featured on. You can actually add that there and you can customize that. That's a very sought after feature. Present multiple logos in a dynamic way. Really builds a lot of authority, and now you can do it natively within the theme. We've got color schemes as well. Before we had color schemes, but now this is far more native. We've added color scheme customization options to numerous widgets and sections, enhancing the visual consistency and personalization of your store. Customize your colors on everything from headers to footers and everything in between for a cohesive look. Okay, so all these widgets are compatible. Anything that isn't at this stage will be in development, and we're adding a lot more widgets, and we'll keep sort of adding it to that as well. We've also done improvements to the cart bubble. The cart bubble offers now additional customizations, the size, position. We're making the widgets a lot more granular. We're making a lot more widgets and a lot more granular and flexible and customizable. So that's really exciting. The cart fav icon. Okay, so you have an error message, duration to display, badge style, badge position, badge background color. Sort of get my point there. We're really trying to give a lot of flexibility and making it really out of the box everything you need. We have the back to top, and it allows a lot more customizations. Product bullet points, again, allowing more customizations. Show second image on hover. So now is a lot more customizable than ever. You can select which image appears on hover and control the transition speed, providing your customers with a smoother and more engaging experience. So you can actually control that, right? The trust badge, another one that we've been heavily requested. You can do different badge types, option to add a border radius adjustment, badge location, section header customization, trust badge alignment, payment icons, icon size adjustment. I have to fix, there's a typo there, badges, and the color scheme. So that's all been updated. Okay, we're over halfway through the page. I'm trying to not make this too long of a video. Delivery time, the delivery time has been updated with more control, so you can delivery time settings for different types of date, month, and year settings. Exclusion days, text message, so you can style only text with background, delivery cutoff time, countdown format, visual time display. Okay, so again, you can have a lot more control and versatility all within the theme editor. Recently viewed, with the recently viewed widget, these features have been added. The tab position, and again, sort of you can add it position in terms of horizontally, vertically or actually where you want it, left, right, bottom right, so on and so forth. The collections list, this is another major one, now offers these settings: section styles, adjustable columns on desktop, option to expand collections, collection display, and a popular one is collection height, option to show collection title, show product count, enable animation on hover, so you can actually have it so in your collection that it has an animation to go to another image on hover, and you can customize that. Button style, button size, pagination type, slider options, image loading type, and color scheme. These are all major updates, and we have even more updates for the collection coming soon, especially for businesses with a lot of different SKUs or products and a lot of different collections. This gives a lot of control and versatility. We've also updated the contact page. It's been very basic. Now we have the option to display the page title, placeholder text, option to display labels, button alignment, option to show button icon, and the color scheme. And the homepage footer has been updated as well. Option to display policy link and color scheme, right? So while it doesn't seem like a lot, those just give a lot more where you can then customize it to your brand. So we're really trying to give it so that everything has a lot more flexibility. The homepage header. So the homepage header now includes the logo left, navigation center, logo left, navigation below. So basically where you can put your logo to give you a lot more flexibility, okay? Now, if you want more articles, you can check out all of these as well. We are doing further updates to further explain what's in the next 1 to 2 months. We're moving back the ability for widgets to be customized, enabled and disabled, in the theme customizer. We're working on functionality so that because we're going to be releasing a lot of versions of the theme, inherently that means problems with people having to update it. We're working on a method so that it can be remotely updated. So you basically can get remote updates to the theme without having to replace the theme. So any customizations stay as it is. Also got a backup vault to make sure that those settings are further backed up and supported. We've got analytics coming into play. We're really starting to use the Debutify custom app to its full potential now to really make it so that we can pull that data and give you even more advanced analytics, right? We're really excited as we're working on that, as we further go down that path as well. We've got major updates to quantity breaks. We've got the shipping insurance. We've got major updates to the announcement bar. A lot more widgets on the on the product page. I don't want to obviously say absolutely everything that is on our complete roadmap right now, but we do have a lot of major updates coming very, very soon. One of the other things we've been asked a lot is to have it so that the widgets move more to a style of that you can dynamically choose different widgets at different times, so you have a limit based on different plans, but you can choose whatever you want. So we're going to be looking into that. We're actively looking into that right now, which is really exciting to give people a lot more flexibility. So basically we're automating a lot and a lot more flexibility. Now that we've got the infrastructure how we want, we've got the Debutify version 7 out, we've got the Debutify theme manager version 3 out. Now we have the infrastructure, and with the Debutify custom app, using all of that, we can now really start to automate and make a lot more widgets. So we're moving to weekly updates. Before it had been fortnightly. Now we're really on top of things. It's moving to weekly, and we're going to be continuing to push that as we go down that path, releasing these types of videos every week. I'm going to be doing these videos every single week. Our customer support is getting better and even more automated to try and help people. So obviously our support staff doing a great job, and also trying to work on articles so that we can help you get support as soon as possible. We know that's something that we get a lot of questions about, so we always make sure that we're very much on top of that. So those are just a few preview things. I appreciate everyone watching this video. I'm really excited to bring this, right? This has been a huge amount of work on the back end to get here, and now you're really going to see the consistency of that back end work to really make sure that we ramp this up. Okay, we've got so many widgets planned that are already well into production, and those will be coming out incrementally. We're going to keep doing it that way, so that way we can fix issues as they come and give people a lot more flexibility while continually listening to the community. So thank you very much for your time today. I hope you have a lovely day. If you did like today's content, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Okay, this will be posted obviously on the YouTube channel and our other socials. Be sure to join our Discord, okay? Sure to join our Discord. Myself and my team are there. We're listening. We'll be engaging with you and supporting you. Okay, be sure to join. We're building a big community there as well. And we've got plenty of other big plans that are coming into play as well. Thank you very much for your time. Take care and goodbye.